Welcome to DJM TV.
Well, welcome now once again to DJM TV. Make sure do it to be follow us, like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Today news, very dark man don't come out to drag Samklef. Everybody know this man, what they call Samklef, in a producer and don't produce many music for various artists. He don't come out now to they drag many artists for some time now. I know they produce. He don't come out now to they drag people unnecessarily. They insult their family join. Last year he dragged Wizkid, but this year now Wizkid friend. This year now they drag Davido, even they drag Simi, they cause her family. Very dark man don't come now to drag him to talk say he know say the guy they pass through depression. Say the guy need better mental health service because at this point they don't know what they do one. I want to play on the video, make una hear a very dark matter analyze this Samklef issue. Make una watch this video reach the end.
Truth, right? I'll tell you the truth. See, let me remind you of when you were born. See, when they born you on the 5th of February 1985, you are 39 months left before you hit 40. And if you continue this thing, now be say if you reach 40, you will be a mumu forever. You know if you come back again. You don't need menopause of foolishness. You understand? Nobody will tell you, I will tell you. All this why I don't they call my name. That no be problem. You don't do Tunde, no, do Davido and all those people. Waiting Simi do you. But let me even before I talk about Simi, now so you insult Nas boy mother. You leave the boy, start to insult the boy mama. Now you don't enter Simi. Now see what you did right. You say Simi, see what you can you just imagine? I finally brought them because Adekule good defending wife against you. I finally brought them out of their hole. Oh yeah, your wife Simi turn. Cause now she I get hands with. She will be proud of you. Your family, Onikure. What's that, bro? Raining curses on their family for what? Over what? I will not be surprised now because I saw Brimo before. Fair drag Simi, not knowing say you want knock Simi before. I will not be surprised if you plan to knock Simi, she not agree. Now she don't do relationship with a marriage where a lot of now they envy. What did Simi do to you? Leave that lady alone. She ain't bother nobody on social media, man. I've never seen Simi call your name before. Calm down. Calm down. Everybody. You today, very dark man. This one. And to be honest, why I never did respond to you, right? Now because if I look at your post, I understand that you need help. You understand? I don't know what it is. I know you are, it feels like you are in this phase of depression, right? Because what you do recently, just confirm them. Only you go deactivate your account so that people go, they say, where is Samklef? Nobody asks, only you come back again, reactivate them. You delete all your posts. Maybe as if you don't be changed person. You still come online, when they do the same thing. You have few months to change, bro. But leave Simi alone. Now you say now Wizkid, now you they support. The same Wizkid where you they cost last year. No be you be this when Wizkid know the answer you. Is this not you?
So, can I say something? Even Wizkid himself is not a fantastic singer.
No. I remember last year when you did post on how you help Wizkid doing music. Wizkid don't big this one. Samklef, you are a good producer. Nobody will take it away from you. But you are messing up your legendary status. You supposed they're the level of Sonny Nweke. Suppose they could blow on the level. These are goated producers. You understand? See, these people now, bro, you are dancing, bro. If they tell me, this is why, see, now your case make me believe, say, true, nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody ever knew you would be a mumu. Nobody knew you would be a mumu. I'm telling you, bro, it's sad. In as much as we take our mask cruise, it's sad. It's sad, bro. Retrace, bro. Retrace your step. Retrace your step. If we want to cast ourselves, nobody, you don't tell them why Ekon wife they find you with gun. No. Now you say now Wizkid. Because Wizkid don't finally accept you now. You don't start to be hyper. Later now, if you try to reach access him in Ugly, go call the cousin. I know your pattern. That's what you did to me. You try to come close to me. Now you first send me DM. You try to come close to me. As I know agree. You come. Okay, during Mohbad case, you won't draw me come your side. I said no. You said, do I think it's justice for Mohbad? Now why did Naira Marley support APC? You people were doing this one. I said, why? Why are you bringing politics to this? Do you understand? That was the biggest mistake I ever made. Since then, today, this one, very dark man, this. So tell Nakai the thing, go police station, go do this one. Samklef, bro.
My people, open, I don't watch and finish, and I don't hear what you read that come talk. What do you think of signing this matter? Drop your comments like and share this video. Until we meet again for another news, always do it to stay safe. Una do.
DJ